Here's how to log out of YouTube on your Android phone. Right now, your YouTube account can be signed in on 6 different devices: old phones, computers, even devices you forgot you ever used, and you wouldn't even know it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find every single device and sign out of all of them in under 2 minutes. This matters for 3 reasons. 1, if you ever sold or gave away an old phone without signing out, whoever has that phone can still access your YouTube account right now. 2, if you share a computer with someone, they can see your watch history, your subscriptions, everything. 3, if your account was ever compromised, a hacker could still be signed in even after you change your password. So let's fix all of that right now. Open your YouTube app and tap the U button at the bottom right of your screen. At the top, you'll see your profile. Tap it. A menu slides up. Tap where it says Manage your Google account. Now you're inside your Google account settings. Scroll down until you see Security and Sign In. Tap that. Keep scrolling on this screen. You're looking for a section called Where You're Signed In. Right here, you'll see something that might shock you. It shows you every device your account is active on. In my case, I had 6 active sessions across Android phones and Windows computers. Tap Manage All Devices to see the full list. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can see every device, when it was last used, and where it's located. Any device you don't recognize or haven't used in a long time needs to go. Tap on any device you want to remove. Google will ask you to verify with your fingerprint. That's just Google making sure it's really you doing this. Once you're through, you'll see the device details and 3 options: Sign Out, Find Device, and More. Tap Sign Out. Done. That device can no longer access your YouTube account. Repeat this for every device you don't use or don't recognize. Now here is the Genie Tip. There's one more thing you should do right after this, especially if you saw a device you didn't recognize. Go back to Security and Sign In and change your password immediately. Signing out removes their access for now, but if they have your password, they can sign right back in. Change the password and you lock them out for good. That's it. 2 minutes and your YouTube account is locked down to only the devices you actually use. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I post Google Pixel tips every week that save you time and keep your phone secure. I'll see you in the next one.